This is just a row of extremely rare 69, 70, and 71 Dodge Darts. Okay, this is the last cars in the valley or farm field. All these. I didn't do every single one, but I did a lot of the important ones. Alright, this right here is a 69 Dodge Dart GTS. Or is this one the Swinger? I think that's the GTS, yeah, 340 GTS. This right here, oh, stickers. Right here, this is a big block 69 Dart GTS. But probably the rarest car of them all is this right here. It's the only one I've ever found, and I have experts who have said it's probably one of 2 or 3 remaining. This is, as of recently, discovered a real 71 or 70 Dart SSA. They were made for the Chicagoland Dodge dealer network. They're called the Super Swinger Automatic. And I'll show you the stripe and where the emblem used to be. This one is a legit 340 car. Owner has the fender tag and the original engine. But you can see here the original Dart Swinger emblem, and then that used to be where the SSA used to be. You see the interior is still all there, bench seat, white interior. And I'll actually attach the ad for the 72 model in the video. But yeah, this is really rare. I had never heard of it. Most people I talked to had never heard of it. Never seen one, but SSA. Very odd. This one's in good shape. That's also a 340 70. That's just a 71 Swinger. But it's funny, this was sold new in Chicago somewhere, and yet it lived its entire life basically around St. Louis. So it has all the St. Louis stickers on it. Rally Dash. You can see it had the dual scoop hood. Same as the other 70 Dart 340. But yeah, that is really, really cool. And now the owner is thinking about restoring it because it is so rare. It's rare, but is it unique enough to be worth it? No, you guys let me know. And here's another 69. This is a Dart Swinger that was legitimately on its way to get crushed from a yard that was going out of business, and the owner saved it and put it out here for now. And then this is another 69 Dodge Dart Swinger 340 car. So yeah, pretty cool. Just a few cool cars out here in Missouri. This right here was actually some of my very first drone videography. I had used it a little bit here and there, but I had bought my DJI drone just so I could do this yard because I knew it would be so expansive, and having that ability to cover it at such a unique perspective would definitely be far better than anything else I could do, even with, my GoPros and my cameras. Having that, bird's eye view would definitely be the icing on the cake for what was such a unique experience, to say the least. The kind of cars that you'll see and the quality of the cars, I've never been to such a location, and the owners were super kind and allowed me to do whatever I needed. And this just gives you a little bit of an idea. These 7 cars were just a small collection. They actually had organized this farm field pretty well. Many of the cars came from local junkyards, like that one Dart that was going to be on its way to get crushed when the owner rescued it. But the cool thing is, this was just the beginning, or technically it was the end of this adventure. These darts were all, GTS, Swingers. but this blue one really stood out. When the owner, Rich, told me what it was, I had no idea. I had never seen anything like that. Even being here in Chicago, I had never heard of the SSA Dart. And over the last 2 years, when I saw it the first time, I've dug and dug and dug. And with the help of a few people online, I was able to find out more information through newspaper articles, that it was a unique package to the Chicagoland area, maybe Illinois in general. But here's a few of the original ads we found for this model. And yeah, probably one of one now.
Hey everyone, been a long time no see. I know I haven't done one of these in person in a while because I was traveling for 3 weeks and then I kind of got beat up. Got a little sick. But back, feeling good. About to head into the 4th of July weekend, which should be a blast, I hope. And should be good. I haven't done anything on the green car or the blue car really, other than maintain them, or at least the blue car. It does need a little bit of work here shortly. And then the funny thing is with Chicago weather, when I left Chicago about a month ago, it was in the 60s and 70s and really crappy out. And when I came back, it was in the 90s and we had the smoke from Canada coming through. So it wasn't ideal. And I still don't feel great, especially with the smoke coming through. But hopefully here shortly, I will be getting back on the green card because I got a few things that came in to put on there. But I hope you enjoyed the video on the Super Swinger Automatic. It was a really, really weird, interesting find. I have never seen anything quite like it. And I've seen a lot. So if you have any information on the Super Swinger Automatics beyond what I have, please let me know. I'll be around. And let's see now, no real travel until Roadkill Nights in August, other than a few small adventures into probably St. Louis and Indianapolis and some other spots. So keep watching my social media, and I'll keep you all in touch. And see you guys on Monday. Have fun. Bye.